Okay, I can add changes to the frames and so on. So these are all different features associated with the picture. When the picture was inserted, the text that was in there got pushed down into another page. So if I look in here in my zoom and I zoom down, I will notice that now I have two pages, which I could also have seen from here. It says page 1 of 2, and I see that the text got moved to the next page. Okay, so if I keep doing the zoom out, I see the two full pages. What I need to do right now is to resize this picture to make it smaller. So I'm gonna grab one of the corners. Always resize pictures by grabbing one of the corner circles. Those are called handles. If you grab one of the squares right here, you're gonna end up distorting the picture. If you grab one of the corners, it always retains the relationship of the width and the height. So I'm gonna bring this down and then let it go, and now it tells me that this is 294, okay, and 29 as the width. Now they want us to make this 274 and the width 273, so I'm going to make this slightly smaller. Okay, so right about there. You can see the size over here, so this is close enough. Okay, now I'm gonna click right after the picture, and by the way, when you insert a picture into your document, it's as if you were inserting a single letter that is bigger in size. So right now this picture right here behaves just as if it was a character. So I'm gonna click right after it. Okay, and it's hard to see, but my insertion point and my paragraph marking are in there. Since this behaves like a paragraph, okay, like text, I'm also gonna make this look centered. So I'm gonna click center, and now it's in the center of my page from left to right. Once again, I'm going to insert a second picture, so I go to the insert tab, I go to picture, and this time I pick dog picture 2. I insert. Again, the picture is really big, so I'm going to resize it, but this time I'm just going to type in the size in here. Type 274 in the height and 273 in the width. Now click the picture. And notice that the picture got smaller. I'm gonna bring this down. So now I have the two pictures lying side by side of each other. Bring the picture back to 100% zoom. So I'm gonna click right here, and I'm back to 100%. Now click on the first picture, and we're going to change some of the features that have to do with this picture. So we're going to go to the picture tools, picture styles, and we're going to pick the soft edge rectangle style. So for that, I'm going to go to picture styles, and I'm going to click the more button here. That shows me all the different styles. As you point at each one of the styles, it gives you a preview and it tells you which one it is. The one that I'm looking for on my computer shows up in the first row. So I have soft edge rectangle, so now I click on it. I would like to apply some additional effects to that particular style, so I'm gonna go to picture effects, and I'm gonna pick glow, and then I'm gonna pick the last on the first row, which when you point at it, it says tan 5-point glow accent 6 points, accent color 6. I want to add some more picture effects, so I'm gonna go back to picture effects. This time I'm gonna pick 3D rotation, and I'm gonna pick off axis 1 right. Now notice that my picture looks different. Now I'm going to do basically the same thing to the second picture. So I'm going to click on the second picture. I'm going to go to the styles, and I'm going to pick the soft edge rectangle. I'm now going to the picture effects, glow, and I'm going to pick the same glow that I picked for the other one. And now for the rotation, I go to picture effects, 3D rotation, and I'm going to pick the off axis to left. And now I have the two pictures of the dogs changed.